To the new class of bakery and confectionery. Today we are going to make chocolate eclairs and profiterole with the choux pastry. A choux pastry is also known as hot water pastry, and now we are going to make this pastry, and we also make a swan with this use of pastry. And these are the certain ingredients which will be required in our practical for making. This is the egg. This is 150 gram of basically egg we need, a mixture of egg basically. Then 100 gram of butter will be required. Little bit of vanilla essence is required, right? This is the 120 gram of refined flour. We need to sieve it, and then 200 ml of hot water we require. With these ingredients, we are going to make our choux pastry, and we are going to make 3 products out of it. That is profiterole, chocolate eclairs, and swan. So now we will take water in the pan. We need a deep pan so that we can easily mix our refined flour in it. Now the second ingredient we are using over here is the butter. Now this 100 gram of butter we need to melt in the hot water. So we will take it this pan to the gas range and cook it. Now as you can see, this butter is melted in the water, and now we are going to start the refined flour in it. The gas should be in a simmer. It should not be in a too high flame. Now slowly we are going to add this refined flour in our mixture. Now it is not sticking in the pan. You can see over here. See. We will remove it from the heat. Now this mixture which we have cooked, it will come to the room temperature. By the time we will mix our egg with the vanilla essence. So these are the 3 eggs basically. And we just need to mix the yolk and the white. Now we are going to mix this egg in our choux paste. So we will add little bit of egg, and then we will mix it. Now almost all egg mixture is finished, and our paste is now prepared. You can see this, a smooth paste, this one. Now we have put a nozzle over here, small round nozzle, and now we are pouring a mixture in our piping bag. So this is how we are going to make our swan from the choux pastry. This is for the swan. This is the swan head. Now we are making our choux paste for swan decoration. You can see I'm cutting this with a knife. Now like this we will take one more. Now we are making a swan. This is the chocolate cream. And we will put the cap over here for our swan. Same with this side. We will do the, and then now we will fill it from the top. Now we have done the filling of this shoe paste for the swan, and now we will insert the baked S-shaped head which we have prepared and finish our swan. So this is, you can see over here. Now we are going to make a head of our swan. Similarly, we will do with the rest of the swan also. Now this is the chocolate I am grating on the top of the swan. Now this is icing sugar, and I will sprinkle little icing sugar on the top. Put our swan in the platter. So this is our chocolate swan prepared from the shoe pastry.